So something a bit different for you today. Everybody likes new things, and when we got a chance to try out these Cococabana briquettes, oh, why not? Let's give it a go. They make some pretty impressive claims on the box, so let's see how they did. So just from reading the box, the manufacturer claims they're ready to go in 20 minutes, got 4 hours grilling time, low ash content, no smoke, high and even temperature, and 100% chemical free. Now that's all pretty impressive by itself, until you read the flyer. You find out that these briquettes are made from 100% coconuts. No trees are felled in the making of the briquettes. The briquettes are made from coconut shell residue. The dried coconut shells are processed into charcoal briquettes, and according to the company, the factory emits no greenhouse gases. That's pretty impressive. Once lit, the briquettes give off high heat, no smoke, and once they've died down, you can use the ash in your garden. All sounds pretty good? Well, let's see how they do. So the first thing you notice when you open the box is there's 9 kilos of briquettes in there, and that is not a big box, they're pretty much condensed into it. Now bear in mind these have come through the post, and you'll notice there's no shattered briquettes in there, they're all in one piece. Now if we compare this to an ordinary charcoal briquette, they're slightly smaller, there's not a lot in it, it's more the size of an Aussie heat bead. We got these briquettes from a company called Totally Barbecue in the UK. We'll drop a link to their website in the description down below, head over there and check them out. So enough of looking at briquettes, let's light them up and see how they do. Right, so we're going to start off this test by putting about 1.5 kilos of briquettes in an indirect fashion on the grill. Now when you're lighting ordinary charcoal, one of the best things to light with is a luft lighter. It puts superheated air into the charcoal and lights it up without need of any chemicals. Now if you've ever tried to do this with ordinary briquettes, you'll know that you can't do it. So let's see how it goes with these. And as you can see, after a few seconds, the coconut briquettes are starting to light. Now you just need to do this in a few spots on the charcoal and then let the charcoal burn in. And as you can see, these are lighting pretty easily. Now I've only lit the charcoal in 3 different places, so we'll put the lid on, let that go for 10-15 minutes, come back and see what's happened. Now there is a bit of smoke, but I think that's more the grease burning off the outside of my kettle than the actual briquettes smoking themselves. Now this is after just 15 minutes, and as you can see, the briquettes have all caught, and you could start cooking at this point. So we're just going to pop a grill on and put a temperature probe on the indirect side of the grill, and let's see what sort of temperatures we get. Now for this test, we've got both the top and bottom vents wide open. You wouldn't normally cook like this, we're just trying to see what sort of temperatures we achieve. So more or less straight away we're at 350 degrees, let's come back in 10 minutes and see what's happened. So after about 10 minutes we're sitting pretty steady at about 470 degrees. Now don't forget that's on the indirect side of the grill, that's not over the holes. So we'll just let that go and see how long it maintains temperature. So here we are after about 2.5 hours. The temperature has started to die down, but don't forget I've had both vents wide open and this is not the normal way you'd cook. And inside the grill you can see that all the briquettes have caught and burnt, and there probably is some cooking life left in them. So to sum up, it did pretty much what it said on the tin. They lit easy, they burnt hot, they burnt for quite a long time. So would I buy them again? Yeah, I would. At £18 a box I think they're good value, and for the environmental impact alone. Well, we hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a click on the like button, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more great barbecue videos. Thanks for watching.